Ceramic coating is a great way to protect your car's paint and keep it looking shiny for a long time. It creates a strong layer that helps keep dirt, water, and other substances from sticking to the surface. Here are simple steps to applying ceramic coating to keep a car's paint protected and shiny for a long time. Before you apply the ceramic coating, make sure your car is completely clean. Start by washing it with a car shampoo to remove dirt and grime. Make sure to clean every part, including the wheels and tires. After washing, dry the car with a clean, soft towel. This helps prevent water spots on the paint. A clean surface is important because any dirt or residue can affect how well the coating sticks. Next, use a clay bar to remove any stubborn contaminants that washing might have missed. The clay bar will help smooth out the surface of the car's paint, making it feel like glass. Gently rub the clay bar over the car's surface with a lubricant spray. This step ensures that the ceramic coating bonds properly to the paint. Once the car is clean and smooth, it's time to apply the ceramic coating. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Spray Coating is a durable and easy to apply product that enhances shine and protects a car's paint. The spray coating also provides UV protection, preventing paint fading over time. Shake the ceramic spray bottle well before starting. Spray a small amount of the ceramic coating directly onto a clean car surface. Work in small sections, like one panel at a time. Gently spread the coating in straight lines across the surface, ensuring even coverage. Use another dry microfiber towel to buff the area until it looks clear and smooth. Repeat this process for the entire car. After applying the coating, let it cure. This means allowing the product to dry and bond to the car's paint. Once the coating has cured, you can buff the car's surface using a clean microfiber towel. Buffing will help remove any excess coating and give the paint a glossy finish. Be gentle while buffing to avoid damaging the coating. By following these simple steps, your car will be well protected and looking great for a long time.